What's up, y'all? I'm back with another vlog. Spend a day with me and my baby. This is around lunchtime. We sleep in the morning and eat fruit and stuff, and it be kind of hectic, so I don't really record then. So when we got up, I just made her some teriyaki chicken and some broccoli, and I did her a little Uncle Ben's rice with it. And that's what she had for lunch today. And if you know, you know, Juicy got to have her shows while she eats. So I just went on ahead and turned on the game and put on her favorites.
Can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. I don't wanna slap me out and think I'm throwing a fit. Right amount of wordplay, right amount of talking to me.
Okay, so tomorrow I think I'm gonna be taking my ponytail and redoing the curls. So I'm about to take those bobby pins down and brush this hair out, and then I'll repaint it later on into either the same style or another style. But today it really just need to be brushed out, detangled, bobby pins removed, stuff like that. I got some new skincare, y'all. I'm starting to really like Good Molecules, so I got one of those products, and then I have 2 more on the way, and then I also got me some new face masks. So I'm about to try that and see what's going on. I want some of those Korean skincare masks that you can wear overnight, but y'all, they are so expensive, so I opted for these. It's a brightening, hydrating mask. So I sat down and read my book, worked on homework for about 20 minutes, and then when I took it off, I saw this girl who squeezed out some of the serum out of the packet, and then you just massage it in, let it dry, and y'all, my skin was so soft. So now I'm getting a shower, get rid of my old skincare, and move on with my day. I took my shower, and now I'm out doing my hair. Just something simple for the day because I'm at home. I didn't have nothing to do today, y'all. And I'm not cooking today. I have homework and stuff like that, so it's a chill day at home. I put my pajamas right back on. Yes, indeed. Put some more pajamas on after I got out the shower. And now I'm just about to pick up in my room. My baby had a fever, so she was in there, so I didn't really record too much in my room because she was chilling with me and I didn't want to disturb her. But there we are, just watching some Miss Monica and picking up a little bit, decluttering for the day. It's like when you have kids, everything just seems to pile up on one dresser, like, or on top of your dresser or your nightstand in your room. And oh my God, y'all can see, even though she had a fever, that wasn't stopping nothing. Look at my hallway. So I'm gonna be putting up boxes, taking out the trash for the day, and getting the dirty clothes downstairs so I can start me a load of clothes. After I finished upstairs, I took the trash down from the mid part of the stairs, took the laundry, went ahead and got that started, y'all. Oh my God, by this time, I'm pooped. I am pooped, okay? I'll admit it. I didn't do much, but I was tired. So I just went ahead and dropped that load in, and then it was time to eat, y'all. I have to go mess with Honey Man while he play that game. If you know, you know what you want to eat, what we gonna eat. Roll for me, yeah. So here I am, just taking out the trash and getting everything prepped for him to take it out for the trash man. In a couple days when the trash man run, getting my kitchen set up. I did a really good kitchen clean yesterday, so I really only had to like pick up a few things here and there, and I spray that table every day. I try to, because when I do my cooking, I lay stuff on the table, and yeah. And then I just made my babe a lunch bag. He normally buys something to eat, but he told me yesterday that it be hot at work. So I put him some waters in there and some Kool-Aids and left him a cute little note so he remembered in the morning, because he get up at the ass crack of dawn and I will forget because I be half asleep. So I put it somewhere he would see it and he could grab his stuff on the way out the next day. Then I put me some waters in the freezer because I love cold water. I love cold water. Like waking up in the middle of the night and drinking an icy cold bottle of water. It just does something to me. So actually, I thought I made me something to eat, but again, here I am worrying about this little bad baby, y'all. Got to make her plate, and y'all, guess what? She didn't eat none of it. I gave her some of my pickled bell peppers and some more of that teriyaki chicken broccoli that I made earlier. Now the moment that our moms know, when you sitting there like, damn, I done cooked for everybody, what am I about to make myself? I'm hungry, but I don't want to feed myself. I want somebody to feed me like I feed these little gremlins all day. But anyway, I'm trying to keep that booty fat, so I made me 2 little croissant with some black pepper turkey and some provolone cheese and some lettuce and mayo and spicy brown mustard. That is my favorite. And I ate some of Bay hot fries. Y'all, I love that little griddle too. I got that from Walmart for like $20 a while ago. And you could do so much on that griddle. Like so much. So many different foods at once. I just melted my cheese on there. And then I added me some of them Grillo's pickles. If you don't eat Grillo's pickles, start eating them. And then I had me a club tail because, yeah, my mind's really bad. I'm working on psychology homework. And y'all, it's no joke. Adding me that spicy brown I was telling y'all about. Got to have it. Wipe up my little area. And then, baby, it's lights off. Kitchen closed. Don't fuck with me. Don't nobody ask me for nothing. Everybody fending for yourself. I'll cook tomorrow. Love you. Bye.